Bash-style process substitution with Python's Popen. In Bash you can easily redirect the output of a process to a temporary file descriptor, and it is all automatically handled by Bash like this. Or like this. See how it is not string redirection. You can see in the second example how Bash automatically creates a file descriptor and allows you to pass the output of a program to another program. Now on to my question, how can I do the same thing with Python, using Popen in the subprocess module? I have been using a normal file of commands and just reading it in, but my program now generates a specific list of commands at runtime based on user parameters. I'd like to avoid writing to a temporary file manually because dealing with file permissions could cause problems for my primitive users. Here is my code to run my program and capture the stout with an actual file _file. I created a function called generate_commas which returns a string that can be written out to a file easily, includes new lines, or to a stringio. I also have a Python script that is standalone to do the same thing. So now I want to pass it in as my third parameter. This doesn't work. Nor does this. So I am out of ideas. Does anyone know of a good way to resolve this? I was thinking using the shell equals true option and using the actual bashism of less than, but I haven't figured that out. Thank you.
If pram_axnull understands convention to me, read from string, then you could. If the input is generated by external process. If pram_axnull doesn't understand convention. To generate temporary file using external process. To avoid waiting for all commas to be generated to write/read commas simultaneously, you could use os.nfifo on Unix, suggested by @cdr.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.